little bit here. Okay. Yay! Okay, stay here. Don't go because it's raining. It's no good for you.
Yes.
Yay! See, Daddy can stand. Thank you. Shall we go back, Daddy? Go back. Go back. Go back. Thank you. I have some, of course, I have a gift for you, Daddy. I have you a gift. Oh. Thank you. I'm very happy to see you. How are you, Daddy? Oh. What happened to you?
Paralyzed. It just happens. You know, like it's a paralyzed. You know, this kind of a thing.
But I can see, Daddy, that you are very strong. You know what? I was in 2 days ago. I was in Bagan, and we been to Bagan, and then some of our fans keep tagging me about you that they requested us to meet you and of course to see you and spend time with you, and I said to my team as well that I'm looking forward to meet you, Daddy. Thank you because I have a chance to see you.
He said thank you so very much to you to come in here.
Oh my God, thanks to you because I'm here and I'm spending time with you. You're very handsome, Daddy, no? Very handsome. Okay. You're very good, Daddy. Of course, I have some gift for you. I'll give you later. I'll give it to you, Daddy, for you. It's a small help, so I hope it can help you. But you know, be strong. Sorry. Be strong, Daddy, and you know, be strong, and of course, always be happy. I know what is your situation. Daddy, me comedy. I like comedy. Smiley only, but action I cannot because very so. I cannot, yeah. Thank you so much, Daddy. Daddy is still, my God, very happy person, and I'm very happy because you show us your happiness to everyone. And Daddy, get well soon, no? Be strong. Yeah, be strong. I know you will get better soon.
No, show me how.
I believe, you know, you never know. God will heal you. You never know. Be positive, be strong because, you know, our Creator always there to guide us, of course. And how many, Daddy? How many kids, Daddy?
Two kids.
Two kali. One woman, one.
Yeah, one guy, one girl. One guy, one girl.
One guy, one girl. Okay, very good. My papa same. 1, 2. One guy, 2 mix woman and guy. I like you.
Thank you.
Thank you because you're very happy. I like you happy. I saw you before crying. I said I come because Daddy, I want to make Daddy happy, to make you, you know, comfort you because we always have someone like us, and as an entertainment as well. I really adore you because Daddy during his time, Daddy entertain us. You know, they make us happy, they make us laugh, they make us inspired by Daddy's movie. So in return, as a working in an entertainment industry, this is a pay respect to you. Thank you for guiding us and during your time being an actor, and you know, you can come to Daddy's place, give some help, give some love, and give some support to Daddy. He need us during this period of time that he has health issue. I believe you guys because I know that you all are have a good heart, and Daddy is here waiting for all of you.
About where to a young one there, being about Balawara and look at dancing my two Aripio video lady and the Botare Bono. I learn your best bono to suit down Beda Bono, the Jamaya Mamali Kanwabazi Bono, and I live in a Kuku, Sensama Malatani, Babi, and about art in Haba Bono. I done a do
Fighting.
Oh, fighting, Daddy, yes! Daddy, you wanna go gym with me? Play gym? Oh, very strong. Daddy can still play.
Ready to gym Gazamla.
Yes. Daddy can still play in the gym. I believe, Daddy, if you don't mind, how old are you, Daddy, now?
Daddy, 74 years old.
Daddy, 74 years old, very strong. Oh. My God, very strong. No, I'm very happy because at the age of you, 74, you're very strong. You know, my dad, 48 years old.
ဘာ94နှစ်ရှိတာတော့လေအရင်ချက်မှတွေ့ရတယ်သူ့အဖေက49နှစ်မှာတဲ့ဟိုပါပေါ့နော်ဟိုသူဆုံးလိုက်ရတယ်
爸爸，လက်တစ်ချောင်းခြေတော်တစ်ချောင်းပဲလေဖြတ်တဲ့အင်အားရှိပြီးသား
Oh, he just say only the one hand and the one leg is paralyzed, but his inside is still strong and powerful that he can.
Wow! Daddy powerful. I can tell you that, Daddy. Anyway, Daddy, thank you so much for allowing me to visiting your place and to see you. And you know, be strong, okay? As you said, fighting, right?
Fighting.
Ha! You know Manny Pacquiao? Manny Pacquiao boxing? Oh, Daddy.
ဘယ်စားလဲအဘာတဘာလေးတွေပါလာတယ်စားစရာတွေပီဇာပါလာတယ်
Daddy, I brought you some pizza from Pizza Maro, of course. Daddy, you know, because this is my favorite Pizza Maro, so I said to myself, when I come to visit you, I want to bring some Pizza Maro from you, so I have for you, and I have chicken as well. You eat pizza, no? Pizza, no? Pizza. Ay, Daddy, pizza.
Yes.
You, okay, later eat, no? Promise me eat later,
စား
no?
မယ်နော်ဒက်ဒီစားမယ်နော်
Because if you know it, I eat. Oh. Dad, thank you, Dad. Yeah, thank you so much. And I have some chicken for you as well here later, no? Eat. And later for sure.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's hot.
Yes, it's very hot. Daddy, later after this, you eat, no?
ပြီးသွားရင်စားတဲ့အကုန်လုံး
စား
စား
မယ်
Yes, you're gonna
စားမယ်
eat everything.
Daddy, can you still walk a little
နည်း
bit?
နည်းလေးရှောက်လို့ရသေးလားအဘအရှင်မ
မဟုတ်အဘတွဲမှာရှတွဲရှောက်မရအောင်
If somebody
ဒီတိုင်းရှောက်လို့မရအောင်
he can walk.
You want some a little bit exercise? Walk with me a little
Down
bit.
there, so
I do for you. Tell I
လုပ်
do.
ပေးမယ်တဲ့သူတက်
Yeah.
သူလမ်းရှောက်
Yeah, I do for you.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
Yes, he
You
wanna
want?
walk.
Yes.
Yes.
Ah! You want now? Walk a little bit.
အခုရှောက်မလားတဲ့
ရှောက်တယ်
Oh,
Yeah.
Daddy will walk with me a little bit. Okay, exercise, please. Okay, we do. Daddy, I will help you. Promise, I will help you.
Yes, okay.
Shall we?
ကဲစမလားအဘလမ်းရှောက်မလား
ရတယ်
Yeah, yari. We go. What's
After
for-
the interview.
We have. Oh my gosh, Daddy, we have some interview. Daddy, you're gonna.
Okay, where did you saw the daddy and how did you decide to come and like hug daddy?
Okay, so what happened? I was 3 days ago. I was in Bagan. So we attended. We launching the plastic campaign in Bagan. So we pick up some plastic, of course, awareness to our people, especially in Bagan, that do not throw away our rubbish or plastic in our ancient city. We need to preserve them. We need to respect our Mother Earth. We need to put the rubbish in the proper time. Then during my visiting in Bagan, many fans of us from social media keep sending the video of Papa and photos of Papa, that Papa is, you know, he has problem with you know, with his health. And I heard as well, Papa, he's an actor. So I said to my God, my gosh, I'm in entertainment industry. So when I heard the story of Papa, I was so touched, and I was so I told to myself that I really fancy to meet Papa, because you know, it's my opportunity to give him some help, you know, and of course to see him as well as a person. So I'm very lucky that I have able to chance now to meet Daddy. Yes. You'll translate me.
Okay. ကျွန်တော်တို့ပေါ့နော်3ရက်အိမ်ကပကံလေးကိုရောက်နေတဲ့အချိန်မှာကျွန်တော် plastic campaign လေးလုပ်နေတာမနော် plastic campaign လုပ်တဲ့အချိန်မှာကျွန်တော်ပုံလေးတွေတင်လိုက်တဲ့ social media ပေါ်မှာတင်လိုက်တဲ့ချိန်ကဟိုကျွန်တော်ရဲ့ဒီချစ်တဲ့ပရိသတ်တွေကျွန်တော်ရဲ့ကြိုက်နေတဲ့ကျွန်တော်ရဲ့ဒီတငယ်ချင်းအပေါင်းအသင်းအကုန်လုံးက daddy ရဲ့ပုံလေးတွေကိုပို့ပေးတာပေါ့နော် messenger နဲ့ဒီ daddy ကအကူညီလေးလုပ်နေတယ်အကူညီလေးလုပ်နေတယ်ဆိုတော့ကျွန်တော်မသိတယ်ဟို daddy ကပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်စိတ်ထဲမှာတစ်ခုပဲလောက်ထားလိုက်တာဒယ်ဒီကိုကူညီရမယ်ကျွန်တော်ရောက်တာနဲ့ကျွန်တော်ကူညီမယ်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒါကိုကျွန်တော်လောက်ထားပြီးသားအနေနဲ့ဆိုကျွန်တော်အဲ့ဒီ decide လုပ်ပြီးသွားပြီပြီးတော့မှကျွန်တော်ရဲ့ teams နဲ့ထိုင်ပြီးတော့ပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်ဆွေးနွေးတဲ့အချိန်မှာကျွန်တော်ဒယ်ဒီအကြောင်းကောင်းကောင်းလေးကျွန်တော်ပေါ့နော်ဆွေးနွေးလိုက်တော့ဒယ်ဒီကဟို action မင်းသားလေးဖြစ်ခဲ့တယ်ပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်ကအဲ့ရဒါအတွက်ကျွန်တော်ရဲ့ respect ကပို့ပြီးတော့သူ့အတွက်မြင့်သွားတာပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်လုံးမကိုသွားတွေ့မယ်အဲ့ကျွန်တော် team တို့ကျွန်တော်ဟိုဆက်သွယ်လို့ရမယ်ဆက်သွယ်လို့လူတွေနဲ့ကျွန်တော်တို့ဆက်သွယ်တယ်ဆက်သွယ်ပြီးတဲ့နောက်ပိုင်းမှာ daddy show မရအောင်ကျွန်တော်လာပြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်အချိန်လေးနဲ့ကျွန်တော်ပေးနိုင်တယ်လားအချစ်လေးနဲ့ကိုလာပေးတာပေါ့နော်ဟုတ်ကဲ့ so how did you feel right now when you came in here?
Well, I feel very happy because it feels like he is my real father. Because you know what, I was suffering from losing my father 10 years ago, and I'm looking, all the time to feel like to see a person that I can feel like a father. During I can see a father or a man like has age already like 68 years old, 78 years old, and he's suffering from illness, he's suffering from something. So I'm trying my best to meet them, to spend time with them, at least to show them that I'm your child. I'm here to support you. I'm here to respect you, and I'm here to guide you, and I'm here to show you love is what I'm here to show you the love as well. So that's why I'm here to spend time with Daddy. And of course with all of you. You here with Daddy. Very smiling face. Oh, very charming. Daddy is very charming.
ဟုတ်ကဲ့ပါကျွန်တော်အရန်ပြောတာပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်ရဲ့အချင်းကဘယ်လိုဆိုကျွန်တော်အဖေကျွန်တော်အရန်စောစောအချိန်မှာကျွန်တော်ဟိုပါပေါ့နော်ဆုံးသွားတဲ့အချိန်မှာကျွန်တော်ကျွန်တော် daddy ဘဒုပဲအသက်ကြီးတဲ့လူတွေကိုပြောတယ်68နှစ်ပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ်98နှစ်ပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ်ပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်သူတို့နဲ့အချိန်လေးနည်းနည်းဖြုံလိုက်တာနဲ့ကျွန်တော်ပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်သူတို့ရဲ့သားသမီးလေးဖြစ်တယ်ပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်သူတို့နဲ့အချိန်လေးပြောကျွန်တော်ပျော်ရွှင်မှုရရတဲ့အဖြစ်ကျွန်တော်အဖေပုံစံပဲကျွန်တော်ခံစားရတာပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်အဖေလေးရသွားတဲ့ပုံစံနဲ့ကျွန်တော်အဲ့ဒါကိုခံစားရတဲ့အတွက်ကျွန်တော်ဒီတွေးလိုက်တာနဲ့ကျွန်တော်အဲ့ဒီအကူညီရတဲ့အတွက်ကျွန်တော်အရန်ပျော်ရွှင်တာပေါ့နော်အခုလည်းကျွန်တော်အရန်ပျော်နေတဲ့ဆက်လက်ပြီးတော့လည်းအရန်ပျော်သွားမှာပေါ့နော်ဟုတ်ကဲ့ဟုတ် Okay, if your father is still alive in here, so at that moment, like what is the significance about your son quality that you like you wanna give?
Well, my father, they didn't raise me very well because they cannot accept me for who I am. I was struggling when I was teenager with my father because they cannot accept me. But at the same time, I forgive my father because at the end of the day, he is blood is thicker than canal water, and at the end of the day he is my father, so I forgive him. As much as possible, I want, if my father is still alive, I want the best life for my father, the best love that I can give to my father, because of that's the only son that we can provide it to our father. If my father is still alive, I will show the love and support to him, and no matter what, he is my father in my family. Like you, Daddy. Daddy is like a strangers to me, but when I see him, I feel like, oh my God, my father is still alive.
ဟုတ်ကဲ့ပါကျွန်တော်ရဲ့ father အကယ်လို့ရှိခဲ့မယ်ဆိုရင်ကျွန်တော်ရဲ့ဘဝကျွန်တော်ရဲ့ငယ်ငယ်ဘဝလုံးဝမကောင်းခဲ့ဘူးပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်တို့လုံးဝ
No cry no me no cry
မတူရှောသူတည်သွားတဲ့ချိန်ကလည်းကျွန်တော်သူ့ခွင့်လွှတ်လိုက်တာပေါ့နော်ခွင့်လွှတ်လိုက်တဲ့ချိန်မှာကျွန်တော်တခုပြောလိုက်တာရတယ်ဘာပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ်နေပါစေသူရသွေးပဲရီမဟုတ်ဆိုတဲ့နာဘာပဲဖြစ်နေပါစေသူကကျွန်တော်ရဲ့အဖေဖြစ်နေတာပဲအကယ်လို့သူအခုမှရှိခဲ့တယ်ဆိုရင်လည်းကျွန်တော်သူ့ကိုပေါ့နော်ဒီအချစ်ဆိုတာဗါအဖေရဲ့မေတ္တာဆိုတာဗါလဲကိုကျွန်တော်ပြသွားမှာပါအဲ့ဒါနဲ့ကျွန်တော်ဒီအဘတို့ဒယ်ဒီတို့ကိုတွေးရတဲ့အတွက်ကျွန်တော်အရန်ပျော်တယ်ကျွန်တော်ရဲ့အဖေတယောက်ရသွားတဲ့ခံစားချက်ကိုအမြဲတမ်းရရှိခဲ့တဲ့အတွက်ကျွန်တော်ပြောပြလို့မရဘူးကျွန်တော်ရဲ့အချစ်ကသူတို့အတွက်နဲ့အမြဲတမ်းရှိနေမှာပါเนาะဟုတ်ကဲ့
The same love that we can give to our father. I know he is not my father, but now that I'm here with him, it feels like I wanna treated him like my own father. Even though you guys, when you see him at first, it reminds him of your father. So while we are here, we comfort Daddy. We spend time with him. We talk with him like a normal chatting with our father. So that's what I'm here now, to spend time with Daddy. That is the most important, for me to see him and spend time with them, and to show Daddy that there is someone like us like me that who cares about you, Daddy. Even though you are a stranger to me or I am a stranger to you, I am here to care for you. Not only for Daddy, but I care for the humanity.
ဟုတ်ကဲ့ပါကျွန်တော်အဖေမြတ်တာအနေနဲ့ဟာနဲ့ပဲတောင်းပါဒါလည်းကျွန်တော်တို့အဖေတရားပဲဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဘာလို့လဲဆိုရင်ဒါကလူရဲ့တဘာဝဖြစ်တယ်ဘဒူပဲတွေ့လူခံစားချက်ကျွန်တော်တို့ရဲ့အချစ်ပါမနာအဲ့ဒါတွေကအကုန်လုံးတူတူပဲဖြစ်မှာပါပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော်ကဒီမှာလာတဲ့အတွက်ဒီအကုန်လုံးပဲဘဒူပဲဖြစ်ဖြစ်ဒီမှာလာတဲ့နည်းနည်းလေးအချိန်ပေးတယ်ဒီအပျော်မှုကိုနည်းနည်းလေးကျွန်တော်တို့ဘက်ကလည်းပေးရတာကဒါအရေးကြီးဆုံးအရာတစ်ခုဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ဒီလိုမျိုးပဲဆက်လက်ပြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်ကတော့လုပ်သွားမှာပေါ့နော်ဒါကကျွန်တော်အရန်ပျော်တယ်ကျွန်တော်လိုမျိုးလူသားတယောက်ကအဲ့လိုမျိုးလုပ်နိုင်တယ်ဆိုရင်တခြားလူသားတွေလည်းအများကြီးအဲ့လိုမျိုးလုပ်နိုင်နဲ့အချိန်လေးတွေရှိပါတယ်အတွက်ဖြစ်နိုင်တော့ဒီနဲ့အချိန်လေးလာဖြုံပေးပါအချိန်လေးတွေနဲ့လာပြီးနည်းနည်းလေးအချိန်လေးပေးပါကူညီနိုင်တယ်လို့ကူညီပေးပါပေါ့နော်ဟုတ်ကဲ့